Alright guys, doing a little bit of creek fishing today. Alright guys, so I just caught a little bass. At least I hooked into one, haven't landed him yet. Let's scoop him up in my net. There we go. It's a nice bass right there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I just got him in my net. I'm gonna, uh-oh, my reel's in the water. Good little bass for the creek that I'm in. It's basically a ditch. It's like this guy's been feeding on lots of different things. Nice bass. Pretty fish. He has a good little healthy mark. Let's get the release on this little guy. There we go. Alright guys, so I just hooked up with another nice baby bass here. Let's get him in my net. Oh, this one's way smaller. So, let's see, little guy. Let's see what you got. Oh, this guy's definitely been feeding on the little bluegill that are in here. Yeah, it's hard to get out. Okay. Little, probably I'd say 6 inches, but hey, it's something for a ditch. I mean, if you guys can see that. Let's get the release on this little guy. There we go. Okay, guys, I just hooked it up into one and it feels like a big one. Oh yeah, it's definitely a nicer one. Oh my gosh, for a creek? Heck yes, I'll take this all day. Oh my gosh, it won't even fit in my net. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh dude, this is a giant. Oh my gosh, Dad. Oh my gosh. This is a huge bass. Don't make fun of me because it's small. But this thing is actually like maybe half a pound, maybe a little bit more. This thing is chunky for a creek. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, I just caught this big bass for a creek. So I'm going to let her go. That was one of the better releases. So, change of plan, guys. We are now heading the other way. So, that was down there, was what I was fishing before. Now I'm going to go right over there. Hey guys, obviously I didn't catch any more fish or else you would have seen another little clip. But today it was basically just a fun day mix matching in a little creek that I always go wading in. So what I was doing, I got Berkley Gulp little grubs, and either that or crappie jigs, and I just put a bunch in my pocket, and then I get my GoPro and I just record it, and it's real good for little ditches or creeks, I don't know. So if you have something like that by your house, you need to go try it. It's so much fun. So it's up to y'all to get that awesome experience wading in the creek. It's so much fun. So don't forget to check out my friends' channels. Nick Gilstrap, and his profile picture has like dirt bikes in it. Don't forget to check out my other friend's channel, Boxcrafter Life. Be sure to follow me on Instagram if you're new at fish_your_all. And don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comments down below telling me what you think about this video. And hope y'all have a good day. See ya.